Hey there! What asset classes do we trade in the Forex market? It's ideally what we're looking for in this particular video. If you've been literally asking a couple of questions about the different asset classes that we do trade in the Forex market, then this video is for you. However, if you haven't subscribed onto this channel, please do such that you enjoy the content that we do release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours, that is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just type in FX Kampala. You'll find such amazing affirmative information. You can also click onto the bell such that you are among those few that are notified whenever we happen to release such videos. Without any wastage of time, let's get directly onto a reason as to why I created this particular video. We all know that for anyone that is looking forward trading the Forex market, it's mandatory, it's important for them to know which is their area of concentration when it comes to asset classes, when it comes to whatsoever instrument they're literally going to be trading. So in the Forex market, we all know that we can ideally not only trade currencies in particular, though currencies is the major asset class that we're always going to look for. However, we have a couple of more of these asset classes. For those that don't know what an asset class means, is ideally those tradable instruments that we're looking for to trade in the Forex market. So someone is looking either forward looking to trade commodities. Rather, the different asset classes that we have, we can trade commodities, we can trade indices, we can trade stocks, we can trade currencies, we can trade ETFs, and a lot more. So as we're going to see in this particular video. So the most important thing that we should all bear in our mind is that when we are literally looking at trading Forex in particular as a CFD, then currencies are the number one asset classes that one is barely going to look at when they are trading this. So when we are trading currencies, we all know that we trade currencies in currency pairs. A currency pair is ideally a composition of two currencies whereby we have the base and we have the quote. So by this, you're ideally looking at buying one currency or selling the other currency. So this comes in various categories of currency pairs. We have majors, we have crosses, and we also have the exotics. So ideally, it's important for one to choose from which categories of the currency pairs that we have they need to trade, and a lot more. So among the pairs that I can give examples to are the Euro USD, USD JPY, NZD USD, GBP USD, and a lot more. The list is endless. So basically, this is an asset class number one, being currencies. Asset class number two, I would ideally say they are commodities. When you talk of commodities, ideally, I would look at things like gold, that is a metal, WTI, that is crude oil, and a lot more. So when it comes to commodities, there are quite a number of different commodities. One would look forward, trading coffee, one would look forward trading sugar, and a lot more. So ideally, one can look forward trading commodities as their asset class in the Forex market. Then the other one could be indices. With the indices is also another important asset class, which is a grouped set or category or groups of course, stocks. So we have a couple of different number of indices. We have S&P 500, we have Nasdaq, we have FTSE 100, we have DAX, and a lot more. So this ideally a composition or a group of individual stocks that are traded on the New York Stock Exchange and also on different stock exchanges of different countries or worlds or continents. So it's also another asset class that we can literally look for when we are trading the Forex market. Another one could be could be cryptos or cryptocurrencies. With cryptocurrencies, we can trade like different currency pairs of cryptos like BTC, USD. You can look at Ethereum, USD, and a lot more. So these ones are also highly potential, profitable asset classes or instruments one can ideally look for when they are trading the markets. So we can also trade other tradable instruments such as equities. We can trade other indirect influencers, those are the interest. We can also trade a couple of different asset classes that we have on the Forex market. We can trade asset classes such as the ETFs and a lot more. The list is quite endless. However, our main interest should always be the currencies. That's why I highly recommend one trading to at least not to miss out on trading currencies. So we can trade currencies, which is our priority. Then we can also look at trading stocks, We can also look at trading indices, and we can also look at trading commodities, that is gold, oil, and a lot more. So with the interest of time, the list, like I said, is endless. There is a lot that I would dearly have possibly looked at, but because time is not on our side, then I find it interesting for one to probably engage with us, because I shared the contact at the beginning of this video. If you really need a special attendance, a special organized meeting with us, don't hesitate to reach us out on that particular number. We'll always be in position to help out. Have a lovely day.